Number 21. If MN, NO, and MO are tangents to circle P, then what represents the value of x? Okay, well if they're tangents, we know that they're going to be equal. So from here to here is 2. So from here to here it's going to be 2. We know from n to n is 10. So if we do 10 minus 2, that'll give us 8 right here. And since n to here is x, we know that x equals 8. That's number 21. 22. What represents the value of x? Well, we have an angle inside the circle, and we know our rule is when the angle is inside the circle, x is going to equal 122 plus 68 divided by 2. That equals 190 divided by 2, which equals 95 degrees. That is number 22. Okay, now on 23, they also cross in the middle, but this time we have the angle, we're looking for the other arc. So this time we'll put the 64 where the x was last time, so 64 equals 48 plus x divided by 2. Now the easiest first step is to get rid of this 2, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. These will cancel out, even with 48 plus x equals to 128. I'm going to subtract 48 from both sides. It gives us 80 equals x. Put it up here so we can see it. X equals 80 degrees. 24. What represents the value of x? Okay, when the angle is outside, we subtract the two arcs. So we're going to say 20 equals 96 minus x divided by 2. Again, we're going to multiply by 2. These cancel out here. I've got 40 equals 96 minus x. Subtract 96 from both sides. We'll move this over here, and that gives us negative 56 equals negative x. Drop the negatives from both sides, it gives us 56 equals x. And that is the answer to number 24. 25. Same problem. This time with the angle outside, so x equals 100 minus 32 divided by 2, so x equals 68 divided by 2, which equals 34. That's the answer to number 25. Okay, 26. What represents the value of x here? Again, chords meet in the middle, multiply the pieces. 3 times 9 equals 6 times x. So 6x equals 27. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 4.5. 27, what represents the value of x? Okay, outside times the whole equals outside times the whole, so 2 times 2 plus x equals 3 times 3 plus 5. So this is, we're going to distribute, so that's 4 plus 2x equals 9 plus 15. 4 plus 2x equals 24. subtract 24 from both sides. 2x equals 20, therefore x equals 10. 28. What represents the value of x? Okay, well, we've got this piece of a circle here, and we know that this is the diameter since it goes through the center. So all of this has to add up to 180, so we'll just do 180 minus 122, 22, and there's that. Looks like 58. So the arc is 58. Angle has to be half of that, so if we do 58 divided by 2, 29 degrees. Number 29. If AB is tangent to circle C at point A, what represents BC? Well, this is another right triangle, and if this is 30, this will be 60 over here. We want to find BC, so we can use our rules for 30, 60, 90 triangles. And that would make this 2 times the short side, which is 24. And this would be 12 square root of 3 up here. But let's show you SOHCAHTOA on that. And we've got SOHCAHTOA. Never hurts to review SOHCAHTOA. Okay, we've got the angle. We've got the adjacent. And we're looking for the hypotenuse. So A and H, we've got in the middle, so we use cosine. So cosine, the angle measured is 60, equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And if we cross multiply, that gives us 12 equals x times cosine of 60. If we divide both sides by cosine of 60, that will give us x. So let's just type in our calculator. 12 divided by cosine of 60 equals 24. And it's the same answer, so it checks out either way you do it. Using SOHCAHTOA or special right triangles, x equals 24. That's 29. And number 30. PQ, QR, RS, and SP are tangent to circle X, what represents RS. The RS over here, this whole thing, well, this is 6 from here to here. From here to here, that's also 6. From here to here is 7, so here to here is 7. So RS, it's going to be 7 plus 6, which equals 13. So RS equals 13. And that is 21 through 30. Thanks for watching.